What? Are you coming up? What are you saying now? You coming up or Bridget Rose? Are you being Hurricane Bridget Rose? Sometimes you're Bulldog Bridget Rose. Hurricane Bridget Rose. You redecorating for Mom? Whoa! Did you just do that? Did you just do that? There's another one. What are you doing? Whoa! Did you just do that? Guess what? Oh, you coming down? What? Are you coming up? What are you saying now? You coming up or you staying down? Oh, there you are. Yeah. Yeah. You say hi? Yeah. You enjoying this? Nice. Well, we've had pretty warm weather here. It's a little chilly now. Yeah. You looking out at the greenhouse? Back on the move? Can't leave any pillow unturned? Yeah! Oh, you give me a hug? I appreciate it. Very nice of you. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. You headed down? You on the move? What are you gonna read? What you gonna read? Yeah? Do you have any good suggestions? Yeah. You're just gonna pick them out. All right, Bridgie.